In this video, I'll show you how to mirror your iPhone on your Philips Roku TV. Very easy. So let's get started. First step, well, your TV needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone or iPad. Next, take your remote control, press the home button, and on this side of the screen, you need to go down where you see settings. Select settings, go down, and select Apple, AirPlay, and HomeKit. Press OK. It will load. Give it a few seconds, especially if it's the first time. This is when it takes the most time to load. All right. And then all we have to do, okay, AirPlay, that's great. Make sure that AirPlay is actually turned on. Now you don't have to touch anything else on the TV. Take your iPhone, iPad, even a MacBook, it works. Drag down from the top right corner. And now we need to find this icon. It's two rectangles. Whoops, sorry, I made it disappear. Let me make it reappear. Here you go, this one. If you do not see this icon, don't worry. Simply press on the plus button on the top left corner and you'll be able to add this icon to this menu. So if you press, you're going to see that your Philips Roku TV will appear in this list. Simply press on it. It will ask for a code. The code that you need to enter is right on your TV, so 2312, but yours will be different. Okay. Whoops, I didn't enter the right code. 2312, 2312, press OK. And here you go. The screen mirroring has started. If your app supports landscape mode, well, you can turn your phone and now you have access to your app. You can browse the web, but also play games and many other things. Now, it's important to note that if you have a slow Wi-Fi, there will be a lag, so it will be hard to play certain games. If you have a quick internet at home, well, you won't have such a problems. Once you're done using this feature, you simply have to go back and drag down from the top right corner on your iPhone. Whoops, let me redo it. And select again the same icon here. And press on your Philips Roku TV and it will disconnect. This is very easy. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if this worked for you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.